Namaskar. National and international efforts/agreements to conserve environment. Environment Protection Act 1986. After the Bhopal gas tragedy, the Government of India enacted the Environment Protection Act of 1986. Under Article 253 of the Constitution, the Environment Protection Act 1986 came into effect on 19th November 1986. In this act, main emphasis is given to environment defined to include water, air, and land, and the interrelationships which exist among water, air, land, and human beings and other. The Act provides a framework for central government coordination of the activities of various central and state authorities established under previous acts such as the Water Act and the Air Act. National Action Plan on Climate Change. The National Action Plan on Climate Change NAPCC was originated on 13th June 2008 by Government of India. It is a comprehensive action plan which outlines measures on climate change related adaptation and mitigation while simultaneously advancing development. As a part of National Action Plan on Climate Change, the Government of India has initiated 8 missions such as 1. National Solar Mission, 2. National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency, 3. National Mission on Sustainable Habitat, 4. National Water Mission, 5. National Mission for Sustaining the Himalayan Ecosystem, 6. National Mission for a Green India, 7. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, 8. National Mission on Strategic Knowledge for Climate Change. Montreal Protocol 1989. Montreal Protocol was signed in 1987 and came into force in 1989. It has been signed by 197 countries, making it universally ratified protocol in United Nations history. It seeks to cut the production and consumption of ozone depleting substances (ODS) in order to protect the Earth's fragile ozone layer. The Montreal Protocol aims at phasing out ozone depleting substances such as chlorofluorocarbons (CFCs) and hydrochlorofluorocarbons (HCFCs) that were mostly used in air conditioning, refrigerating, and foam industry by 2030. Rio Summit 1992. In June 1992, the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development (UNCED), also known as the Rio Earth Summit, was held in Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. It was a major United Nations conference. A significant accomplishment of the summit was an agreement on the Climate Change Convention. In this summit, some important issues were raised which brought good results, such as 1. Patterns of production, particularly the production of toxic components such as lead into gasoline or poisonous wastes, are being scrutinized in a systematic manner by the UN and governments alike. 2. Alternative sources of energy are being sought to replace the use of fossil fuels, which are linked to global climate change. Another conference was held in June 2012 in Rio, namely the United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. It is also commonly called Rio Plus 20 or Rio Earth Summit 2012. Convention on Biodiversity. The Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD), enacted in 1992, it is an internationally legally binding treaty covers biodiversity at all levels in ecosystems, species, and genetic resources. It also covers biotechnology through the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety. It is often seen as the key document regarding sustainable development. It has three main objectives: 1. The conservation of biological diversity; 2. The sustainable use of the components of biological diversity; 3. The fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of the utilization of genetic resources. Kyoto Protocol. It is an international agreement which is linked to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The Kyoto Protocol was adopted in Kyoto, Japan in December 1997, which came into force in February 2005. Through its principle of common but differentiated responsibility, the protocol places a heavier burden on the developed nations of the world. During the second commitment period, 37 industrialized countries and the European Community committed to reduce GHG emissions by at least 18% below 1990 levels in the 8-year period from 2013 to 2012. Lima Conference (COP20) 2014. The Lima Climate Conference, Peru, achieved a range of other important outcomes and decisions and firsts in the history of the international climate process. pledges were made by both developed and developing countries prior to and during the COP that took the capitalization of the new Green Climate Fund (GCF) passed an initial $10 billion target. Levels of transparency and confidence building reached new heights as several industrialized countries submitted themselves to questioning about their emissions targets under a new process called a multilateral assessment. The Lima Ministerial Declaration on Education and Awareness Raising calls on governments to put climate change into school curricula and climate awareness into a national development plans. Paris Agreement COP21 2015, the 21st Conference of Parties under the UNFCCC agreed on adoption of the Paris Agreement on post-2020 actions on climate change. This universal agreement is to succeed the Kyoto Protocol. This agreement is different from the Kyoto Protocol in that it provides a framework for all countries to take steps to curb climate change. The agreement covers all crucial areas identified as essential for a comprehensive and balanced agreement, including mitigation, adaptation, loss and damage, finance, technology development and transfer, and capacity building. International Solar Alliance. The International Solar Alliance was launched by India in 2015. In 2016, around 121 countries joined this alliance. Among its member countries, most of them are sunshine countries, which lie either completely or partly between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The main focus of this alliance is on solar power utilization. Bonn, Germany, COP23 2017. 23rd Annual COP under the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) was held in Bonn, Germany. COP23 2017. 23rd Annual COP under the UN Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC) was held in November 2017 at Bonn, Germany. It was presided over by Fiji's PM Voregi Frank Bainimarama, who called for a sense of urgency in implementing the 2015 Paris Accord on combating climate change because Fiji is already suffering from the impacts of global warming. The purpose of this summit was to chalk out a plan for reaching the targets set under the Paris Agreement of 2015. Its key agenda was to bring out a so-called rulebook or Paris Work Program which countries tries to abide by in post-2020 world. Key outcomes of COP23 were as follows. It was decided that the negotiators will keep working for 1 year and finalize the rulebook by December 2018. It was agreed that the financial issues regarding the climate change must be addressed and the rich countries must take the responsibility of it. It was also decided that the adaptation fund under Kyoto Protocol can also it was also decided that the adaptation fund under it was also decided that the adaptation fund under Kyoto Protocol can also become the part of the Paris Agreement to deal with the financial crunch. Katowice, Poland, COP24 2018. From 2nd December 2018, the 24th meeting of Conference of Parties COP24 to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC), also known as Katowice Climate Change Conference, was held at Katowice, Poland, with an aim to finalize guidelines for implementing of the Paris Agreement adopted in 2016. Vision of the COP24 meeting were as follows: adoption of a decision ensuring full implementation of the Paris Agreement, meeting the targets of global warming to below 1.5 Celsius as reported in Special Report on Global Warming of 1.5 degrees Celsius (SR15), which was published by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC). Discussion on Fiji-led Talanoa Dialogue, the first ever international conversation of its kind to assess progress towards the goals of the Paris Agreement, including the goal of limiting global temperature increases. Environment-related important international agreements/conference. UN Conference on the Human Environment, Stockholm 1972. Convention on Migratory Species, Bonn 1979. Convention for the Protection of the Ozone Layer, Vienna 1985. Protocol on Substances that Deplete the Ozone Layer, Montreal 1987. Convention on the Transboundary Movement of Hazardous Wastes, Basel 1989. Earth Summit UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro 1992, Convention on Prior Informed Consent, Rotterdam 1998, UN Conference on Sustainable Development, Rio de Janeiro 2012, Nagoya Protocol on Genetic Resources, Nagoya 2010, Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD, COP11, Hyderabad 2012, UN Climate Change Conference COP20, Lima 2014, Paris Climate Conference COP21, Paris 2015, Bonn Climate Conference COP23, Bonn 2017, Katowice Climate Conference COP24, Poland 2018. धन्यवाद. Thank you so much.